Okay, on this one, I'm using some satin enamel paint from Behr. It's called Angel Food is the color. I think I got it at a garage sale. I don't know, it was like a full gallon. So it has a little bit of an ivory tint to it. And I put just a splash of the Deco Art satin enamel. So I'm going to be using this as my background. And Deco Art Extreme Sheen Deep Sapphire. Amsterdam, what is this one? I should know this one because I use it. Come on, Patty. Put my glasses on. Van Dyke Brown. And this is Deco Art Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl. So I have those three colors that I'm going to put in this cup. So let me do that right now. I got something going on here, a bug or something. Okay. I think I'll make 2 layers. Paints are pretty thin. I was going to put some milk paint in there, but I just want to see with this satin enamel house paint how that goes. Just a little bit more brown. I don't want to overdo it. And of course this Extreme Sheen gives you some different effects. I think that's all I'm going to do there. I'm going to go ahead and flood this, or at least flood the middle. I'm going to be tilting. Okay, let's see what we got here. That's good. Get it to the corners. Okay, here. I have no idea if I spun this. Usually I only do the Shelley technique with the spin, but hey, I'm experimenting. So let me move things out of the way and let me give it a shot here. It'll hold the design a little better when I do it like that. But now I gotta tilt. Sticking this way first. Sorry guys, I don't want to stop tilting right now. I'm starting to get a few pearls. Okay. I might want to tilt more, but let me, seems like a couple things are happening. Getting a few pearls. I'm hoping I tilted enough off. I'm going to go ahead and give it about 10 minutes. And then I will bring you back down. We'll let it go for a little bit. I'll speed it up. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. I didn't get very many pearls. A few here, a few here. So I'm going to give it some fake pearls. Why not? I'm going to use milk paint, and it's my injection pour recipe. 2 parts semi-gloss house paint, 1 part milk paint, 1 part Deco Art satin enamel, 1 part Artist Loft white, to 2 parts Floetrol, and a little bit of GAC 800. That's my recipe. So let's see. I would do an injection pour, but there's not enough paint on there. Now, if you do just plain milk paint without mixing it, it'll crack. I've done it. I have a few other videos of my injection pours that I did, I don't know, a couple years ago. Maybe last year at the beginning. No, I think it was 2018. It was right when I first had my channel. I think I've had my channel now a year and a half. Okay, I don't want to overdo it. I think that looks pretty good. don't know if I need to add more or just leave it like that. You have your natural ones on the sides here and right here, and then the homemade ones there. I think that's it. I think I'm going to stop. I like it. Just like that. So thanks for joining me. I know this, I'm going to try to cut this video down. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've learned anything. I would really appreciate it. There's a lot of people that do YouTube videos, and just one like would, if everybody that watched this would give me a like or a comment, that goes a long way with the algorithm of YouTube. So please take care. See you next time. Bye. Okay, here's a close-up of this one. Just wanted to throw this in here real quick. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Till next time. Bye.